Lisa DeFazio. I'm a registered dietitian with a master's in nutritional science. Today we're going to talk about how to make your smoothies sweet. So certainly depending on the fruit that you use and the ingredients that you use, sometimes smoothies are going to be a little more bitter, or maybe you just don't want to use a whole lot of sugar because you're trying to stay healthy. So here are some tips on how to sweeten it up. First off, bananas. Now, really ripe bananas, surprisingly, when I really looked into this and researched it, at the smoothie shops, they use really ripe bananas, almost brown. And that's a way that they sweeten the smoothies. So it's blended in, you can't really see all the blemishes, and so that's a really good way naturally to sweeten up your smoothies. You can actually add sweeteners. There are sweeteners out there now that are more natural, like agave, and also stevia, which you can find, they sell it as called Truvia. And so stevia will be a more natural form of sugar, but won't have as much of the sweetness as regular sugar and fewer calories. It's also good for people with diabetes and won't raise the blood sugars. Honey, of course, is also a way to sweeten up your beverages and your smoothies. But there's a misconception about honey. Although it is more natural, it's actually going to have close to 20 calories per serving. It's higher in calories than sugar. So if you're looking for a low-calorie option, go with something like Splenda and a low-calorie sweetener. But honey is going to be more natural, so if you're not diabetic and not worried about your weight, then go ahead and use the honey. Now, I included this in this segment because there are actually some oatmeals out there now that sweeten with dark chocolate. And so you can throw in some oats for some extra fiber, but having that dark chocolate flavor in there can also sweeten it up. Dark chocolate will be healthier than milk chocolate because it's loaded with antioxidants and won't have as much sugar. So as a dietitian, I would say go ahead and do that if you want to have a chocolate shake or smoothie. Protein powders are also a way to sweeten up your smoothies because they're going to already have some sugar in them. You can use a vanilla flavor, or there are chocolate flavors and strawberry flavored protein powders that will definitely add sweetness to your smoothie if you want to kick it up a notch. So those are my ideas and tips. If you'd like more recipes and diet tips, check out my website at lisadefazio.com. So that is how you sweeten your smoothies. I'll see you guys next time.